Welcome to my channel. This is Heather with Party Favor Printables, where we take your party to the next level. Today I will be showing you how to assemble these cute Mother's Day candy wrappers. All you need is glossy photo paper, scissors, and double-sided tape. You can purchase these printable digital files through my Etsy shop, Party Favor Printables. I will post a link in the description below. The first thing you are going to do is cut off the white edges around your wrapper. Then you're going to flip it over and put double-sided tape along the left side, the top, and the right side of your wrapper. We use a crafter's tape roller, and I will post the link to that in the description below. After that, you're going to place your candy bag face down, flip it over to make sure it's even. Fold over your bottom flap and then your top flap so they overlap each other. Try to make it as even as possible. Push down and seal the double-sided tape. Flip it over and reposition the main image so it's even. Then you're going to pinch the top so that the double stick tape sticks, and then you're going to flip it over and pinch the other side. Now these last two steps are totally optional. You can use edge scissors to make the jagged edges like the traditional candy bags, which I do on this M&M bag. And then you can also use the paper crimper. I purchased one from Amazon for about $20 if you want to do that. It just crimps the ends of the candy bag to make it have that authentic candy bag look. And that's it, your Mother's Day M&M bag is complete. Now I'm going to fast forward through the next couple of candy wrappers. They are done the same way though. These are super easy to do and make great gifts for mom on Mother's Day. We have lots of different designs for all kinds of parties in our Etsy shop. And if you can't find what you're looking for, shoot us a message and we'll be glad to do a custom order just for you. And that's it, your candy wrappers are complete. Don't forget to check out our Etsy shop for more Party Favor printables. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.